So I want to talk about how you can use the Voxer app and have your secretary, your virtual assistant, or your virtual secretary in your window cleaning business. How you can this system works awesome, and it works very well for me. I want to share with you what I do, and then I also want to know in the comments what you do. Okay, so over the last couple of years now, since last year, 2016, I had my wife work for the company, and it didn't work out too well. She didn't like it, but now I have virtual assistants working and an actual virtual part-time secretary who's a freelancer. We communicate primarily through Voxer. I know there's a bunch of different apps. I like Voxer, and here's why. So here's the scenario. Beep, beep. Hey there, please send a quote to Mrs. Jones for $299. She's at 12345 Strawberry Lane, Sterling Heights, and then see the video below. Okay, thank you. Beep, beep. We just finished Mr. Jones. Send him gourmet brownies, please. Or, collect payment from Mr. Jones. Beep, beep. She sends me something back. Well, I'm not going to play her actual voice, but it'd be like, okay, Keith, I sent the brownies to Mr. Jones, and we just set the estimate to Mrs. Jones for $299, yada, yada, yada. And one more thing, I just looked at this customer on Google Earth, and I can't fully see the house on Google Earth because a bunch of trees are blocking it. Can you go on there real quick, Keith, when you have a second, and just let me know how much is, because I don't want to tell the customer the wrong price, and they're waiting for me to get back to them. So when I get a second and I pull over, I go on Google Earth, I look at the house, and I know, because I clean windows all the time, I go, okay, that's a $349. I go, beep, beep. Okay, the one on 12345 Strawberry Line, that one's $349 because there's those two sliding door walls you can't see, and I can tell by looking at the house. We have to bring a ladder inside because they have cathedral ceilings, and then it's $4 for the screens if they want them done. So yeah, send them a quote for $349, and then we can squeeze that in the morning on Tuesday, whatever the schedule says. Maybe. The reason I like Voxer is because here's how it works. If you have a part-time secretary who can't be in the office from 9 to 5, you can literally pile up a list of things for her to do. You don't have to sit there and type it. You can if you want, but if you're driving, like you probably are, or you're on a job, you can say, send a quote to Mrs. Jones for $349. Beep, beep. Do this. Beep, beep. Please send this customer brownies. Beep, beep. Can you check the schedule and make sure this? Beep, beep. Line item number 1. You can pile up a whole list of things to do, and then when she gets to it, now she has something she can go work on for 2 hours straight and knock down the pile, and then you can look on Voxer and see that she actually listened to them all. Like right now, I've got a pile of 12 things. My secretary works tomorrow, and she's going to do them all. And then if she has any questions, she'll Voxer me back. So it's a way to have a stream of communication going that's not in real time, just like text message. And then you can see. Voxer, you can also communicate with groups of people as well. You can use Slack, you can use WhatsApp, whatever. Now, yeah, so you can get a virtual assistant from like Upwork.com. I go more into that inside of a... Now I'm going to pitch you. I didn't even plan on doing this. I have a new course out. It's coming out May 1st. It's called the Marketing ROI Online Course. We go into all this stuff. We go all into sales and marketing. And we've got Joshua Latimer, DJ Carroll, and Eric Reno, and 6- and 7-figure business owners. It's the whole live recordings of the live workshop that I did. Sorry, I'm driving here and it's raining. And we're working in the rain. But if you click on the link, if you click the link in the description below, it's keithkelfis.com/ROI, and you can get access to the new Marketing ROI online course now. And if you don't like it, there's a 30-day money back guarantee. You can't even beat that. Ow. So, okay. That's my video. Hit the subscribe button. Hit the thumbs up. The like. It's just gonna be awesome. Peace. Peace.